Okay. You're going.
What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man, back with another video for you today. This is another review, but a late review, but I want to go ahead and make it anyway because there's a lot of stuff in this room that might have changed since then. And actually, I'm pretty excited to see these too, just because these have come from Nike himself, Nike themselves. First, a word from my sponsor. 2 Corinthians 5:21 says that God made Jesus, who knew no sin, so that we might be the righteousness of God. Jesus knew no sin, we were not righteous, and he made Jesus with no sin so that we might know the righteousness of God through Jesus with no sin. Galatians 2:21 says that if righteousness comes by the law, then Christ died in vain. Atticus, when you go to school or to church and you hear the 10 Commandments, what do they basically tell you? Not like each one of them, but what do they basically tell you?
Listen and don't do these things.
Don't do this or do that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Don't do these things and do these things. Like, listen to your parents. Don't want what other people have, basically, right?
Yeah.
Some of those things. And we cannot follow the law. We've proved it. You got me?
Yeah.
We proved it many times that we're just not good at that. We're human. We just can't do it. And if our righteousness is going to come by keeping the law, if we think that our righteousness in God comes by us keeping the law, then that means that Jesus came here and died in vain for no reason. If we're going to try to obtain righteousness by doing right and not doing wrong, then Jesus died in vain. And I say that to say that Jesus came to give us that righteousness. Now we should, Atticus, I think you agreed, you're 9 years old, we should be doing right.
Mm-hmm.
And we should not be doing wrong. Like, you should listen to your father and mother, right?
Mm-hmm.
What's another one of the commandments?
Do not kill. Do not,
Is it, I don't know, whether that is or not, you would agree we probably shouldn't do that, right?
yeah, and do not rob.
Don't rob people. Yes, don't take things from other people. You would agree that those are good things we should do, right? But doing them to obtain righteousness, to get to the point of being righteous, is something that we just can't do. And if we try to do that, then we're neglecting and negating the work that Jesus did for us, because he did that for us so that we don't have to because we can't. So thank you, Jesus. All right, I want to open these. Oh, what I said was things have changed in here. So Atticus, kind of focus. You don't have to zoom in or anything, but focus on the shoe you don't like. Atticus doesn't like this shoe. Y'all haven't seen a video on this, and I'm kind of surprised that after at least a handful of videos that I've recorded more recently that have already been published, this shoe's been up here and nobody said anything. So we got a new union. You'll see the video on this, my review on this pretty soon. Another new union. Hesper and Haley have a union in there, just with Desert Moss. More union.
There's another union.
Where?
Right
Here?
there. Yes. No.
Here?
No.
Here.
That one.
This?
No. That.
This is Amamanier, not union.
Mm.
This is social status. Those are kind of related, but these two, but not to these. And then we got union. See the purple one?
Yep.
Then we got union. I don't have union ones. I need to be making you a union one video. I'm kind of working on that. Trying to work out a deal on a union one. But here we go.
It's a gray box.
It is a gray box.
What are we gonna get from a gray box?
We're going to open this one too.
It's a red box.
These came out on Nike weeks ago, and I finally just got them back. Got them all to the house myself, because I think I might have hit. No, Hesper hit on this one, and Hesper does this, like, she says, I got one, and I don't even know what she got, and
Wait.
it turns out that it's a different size. Yeah.
That one looks like it fits you, and that one looks like it's the size that I wear.
Well, this is a box. You don't wear a box.
Well, the box that I usually get, it comes in that size.
This is the Air Jordan 2 Retro SP Gray Fog Siren Red. This is a size 11. This is the Air Jordan 2 Retro SP Gray Fog Siren Red. And this
It's a size 5.5.
is a men's 4.5. Yeah, I don't know why Hesper bought that. I didn't know what that. I figured when it was in a smaller box that she got her size, which she normally goes for, which is a 6.5. 4.5, I don't know anybody that can wear 4.5, so
Maybe
I don't know what we're gonna do with those.
Maybe you can just save them until I wear 4.5.
You wear bigger than a 4.5.
I wear 5.5.
Let's just go ahead and take a look at both of these, make a little comparison here. Very nice.
Wow.
I've kind of stopped wearing my 2s also. I don't wear them much, and I like them still. Maybe it's summer now. Maybe I don't see myself wearing these with.
Wait, hold on. Turn that one upside down. I want to see it. Okay, now turn that one upside down. Okay, now I get it. For a second, I didn't know if they were both red, and I thought they were different.
Maybe it's that I don't really see wearing these with pants or with shorts. Maybe that's why I haven't worn them much lately. It's just, what do you call that? Just glue. It's weird to feel these now because mine are broken in. I probably worn them 10 times, and these are a little bit more stiff everywhere. I'm not a huge fan after wearing these for a little while. I'm not a huge fan of this, of any really, and definitely not of these either. The leather sock liner, because it kind of gets squeaky in there, and it's not the most comfortable feeling. My feet sweat a little bit. I mean, not like profusely or anything, but yeah, the leather sock liner just isn't it. I always wear socks, but the leather sock liner isn't really my favorite. But the color of these, and in my opinion, the overall shape of these is great. You like this color?
Yes. I think that shoe would be perfect just wearing pants and like a long, short blue long sleeve shirt.
Short blue long sleeve shirt.
Yeah. No, short sleeve shirt.
Long, short blue long sleeve short sleeve shirt.
No.
Yeah, that's what I've worn it with that before. I've worn it with jeans and a short sleeve blue shirt.
Yay.
Like darker blue jeans and then this color blue shirt. I think Union did a great job with these. I know that these, I think at the time when these came out on Nike, and I got 2 of these through Nike, when they came out through Nike, obviously they sold out immediately. And I think at least this size, and I think the 6.5 also, even selling it on StockX, I still would have made $20-30. So the person paying for it would have paid, I think these were $220. There's no retail price tag on this. I think these were $220, maybe $225. So that means whoever wanted to buy these at that time was probably paying $275, $280, maybe closer to $300 for these. So they're getting a little bit of love. I think it's only because they're Unions. Although Union's coming out with some Cortezes in the next couple of weeks, I think they come out, and I don't think those are going to hit really at all. I'm not going for those. The colors on them are okay. I just don't like the Cortez at all. I know I won't wear a Cortez, and the 2s I would definitely wear and I have worn. So I'm not keeping this pair. I got my pair on the shelf back there, but I do like this. This could definitely be in the 2,000 sub giveaway. So at 2,000 subs, and I'm at, as of like the last time I looked at my phone on YouTube, Atticus, I have 1,881 subs. So at 2,000 subs, which is probably going to come in the next 30 to 45 days, it is the middle of June. So I'd say by August, we'll have the 2,000 sub giveaway. If this is still here, my second place winner, who's going to be a random commenter from that video, the 2,000 sub giveaway video, could choose these or these if they prefer the 4.5. If I still have either of these sizes, I actually might know somebody that wears a 4.5, so we'll see. But this is for selling it to them, not giving it to them, because these are expensive shoes, and Hesper got the wrong size. So we'll return this if we need to. But this one might still be here by that time, and this could be in the giveaway for the second place winner. First place winner can get whatever they want up to a certain dollar amount. I'll just order it through StockX or GOAT or something like that, and hopefully it'll be something that I don't already have, that I haven't already had, that I can make a video on and then send it on over to the winner. The winner is my most valuable sub, and I've got 2 that are like not neck and neck. One's a clear winner right now, and the other one is a clear second place. Although things might change between now and then. There's clear winners, and y'all can just look at the comments and probably see what it is. How do you become the most valuable sub? Do you know, Atticus?
Yes.
How?
Like, comment, and notification to your grandma, and buy shoes.
Yeah, X didn't tell their grandma that I know of, but that's okay. But all of those things are right. But how do I know that you're really watching the videos? How do I know? Because I can't see if you've liked the video or not, or liked the video. How do I know that you're watching it? Because YouTube likes to see people watching the video all the way through. When they see people watching the video all the way through, they're going to suggest that video to more people because they think that because they watched it all the way through that people like it. So to show me that you're my most valuable sub, watch my video all the way through. How do I know if somebody watched it all the way through, Atticus? How can I know?
When YouTube starts paying you more, and then we'll...
How do I know if a certain person watched my video all the way through? How could I possibly know that?
You look on down in the comments, and you can just look and scroll down, and...
But that's just somebody that commented. If they just say, hey, what's up? They commented, I appreciate that a lot.
Or they say, like, I love your shoes, mate. I'll be in the 500...
They have to comment something pertinent to what we're talking about. Like our conversation. If they comment something about what we're saying right now, then I know they watched it up until now. Right? That's how. So comment something pertinent. It shows me you're watching it all the way through. X is commenting like within 20 minutes each video, so they must be subscribed and must have the notifications on. Otherwise, they wouldn't be notified when I posted another video. I've been posting videos almost every day, probably 5 a week. Maybe, I mean, sometimes I'm going 7 a week, but 5 a week. I'll be going out of town the next couple weeks, and probably you won't even see this video by then. Maybe you'll see it when I'm out of town. I don't know exactly, but they might slow up a little bit, like to every other day for a week or two. But I've still got a whole bunch of videos on deck. Still another video to make here. Atticus and I just recorded another video. Yeah, thanks. He's new, not new. He's just a novice cameraman. So he's working on it. Just needs a little one-on-one feedback, right, Atticus? Mm-hmm. Thank you.
Don't even know what that means, but...
But hopefully we'll get videos out more frequently, or just as frequently. I've got this one here. I actually don't think I have anything on the way right now. What are you doing? Why are you moving back and forth?
Looking at it.
I got this one here I still need to make a video on. Don't think I'm going to do it tonight because we're all pretty tired. And that might be all I have to make videos on right now. We're going to have to do something about that. What are we going to do about that?
Buy shoes.
Buy shoes. You're right. All right. Smash that like button. Comment down below something pertinent to what we're talked about here. I appreciate that. Tell your grandma. Grandma might like some twos. She might have been watching Michael Jordan when he was wearing some twos. He was wearing twos in 1986. I was 3 years old. So grandma might have been in her 30s. And she might like some twos, right? Mm-hmm. Do you like the twos?
Yeah.
Let's see. Can you see this one? Mm-hmm. The one on the shelf?
Yeah.
Awesome. Maybe that's our thumbnail. All right. I'll see you next time.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Shoes.
Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so cute.